Hi guys. Lula says hi. She's all excited because we're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna go for a walk. Lula, are you excited? Wanna go for a walk? Let's go for a walk. Lula's going for a walk today. Lula's going for a walk today. Come on, Lula. Let's go for a walk. The train can't get you, I promise. She keeps looking towards the train. She's like a little Pomeranian, her little tail curled while she walks, holding it high. Is that so you don't trip on it, Lula? Or are you afraid you're going to trip on your tail? Cross the railroad tracks? You going to cross them railroad tracks? I'm going to go look at this pretty water. Look at that. It's just positively rushing. Oh, isn't that neat? I never knew that was there. Well, guys, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Try to get out while the rain's keeping off. It's been the rainiest week. And it's going to rain all the rest of the week. So y'all get some sunshine while you can. We'll see you guys later.